Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for my new and returning subscribers. If you are new here and so happens to find your way on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, thumbs up this video, and hit the notification bell for when I upload new videos. In this video today, I am working with Makartt Jelly Kit. I did do a huge haul, so stay tuned for that. I am going to do a haul video of different nail products I did buy because I just want you guys to see what I have. But for this video, I'm going to show you the Makartt Jelly Kit, and I absolutely love it. I will do some things different in this video as far as applying my set because I did find that the jellies were a little sheer. So for sure I would have did a gel nail bed color just to even out my nail bed, and probably applied a little bit more of the jelly polygel just to give it opaqueness. But at the end, the nails did turn out cute, and I am super excited for the set. Alright, so now I'm going to just go through and show you what comes into the kit. So you do get about 6 polygel colors. They are all 15 mil. You get your top coat and base coat, your solution, your dual forms, your spatula with the brush on the end, and a nail file, and of course instructions. And I'm definitely going to be starting off this kit, this set. I already have a base coat on top of it because I did wear my regular nails for about a week, and I just wanted to protect them because I do housework. So I had the base coat, a couple layers of base coat over. So I'm just going to go ahead and file that base coat just to just rough it up a little bit so I will be able to apply my tips. Once I apply my tips, I'm going to go over with another layer of base coat so we can have a fresh coat of base coat for our set and for our polygels to stick to. And like I said, I would have done differently with my set. I would have went ahead and applied like a thin layer of maybe like a nude or nail bed color of gel to my nail base just to even it out and give it a one color look. Just so that the polygel, because it is a jelly and it is a thin color, just so that my nail bed wouldn't show through the set. But at the end, like I said, it did turn out cute, and I'm super excited for the set. So guys, you see how sheer it is once I started to blend it out. It's not as opaque as I want it to be. It did sheer out a lot. But nevertheless, the color is cute. But like I said, you can see my nail bed color underneath. So what I would have done is probably just did like a nude to just even out my nail bed, because I didn't want to cut my nails because I'm really trying to see if I can grow them out. So I could have cut like my nails down and kind of like even it out that way, but I didn't want to. So I would would have opted for just a nail bed color, and then went on top with that jelly color. But you can see how thin it is, and I probably would have, you know, made it a little thicker, but it was already thick, but it's just super sheer. So yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm not going to talk too much unless it's something that's important and I feel like you guys should know. So I'm just going to go ahead and head out and let you guys enjoy the video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down in the comment section. All details about the products will be in the description box. Please don't forget to thumbs up and like this video. And go ahead and turn on that notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Adios.